Today's adventure, we are heading up to Lawn Chair Lookout or Paradise Point. I'm not quite sure what it's called because I don't think it has an official name. However, we are gonna make it to Huckleberry Point. We're just taking a different way. Some unmarked trails that I just found out about in a great book called The Lost Skills. And these are the lesser known areas of the Catskills. However, we are going on the greatest road in the Catskills, and that's Blue Mountain Road. Check this out. I don't know, one of these is a trail that we're going up. That's our spot. All right, we got to park, and that's where we're coming to. I'm pumped up. Picnic, lookout, paradise, whatever. We're coming for you. Okay. We walked down Blue Mountain Road a bit, backtracked from the trailhead, and it's looking like this is the spot. Maybe here? Maybe? Can't see. Oh yeah. I think we're in it. Alright, I'm guessing this is the trail. This looks sweet. I'm so pumped up for this. Here are the cars underneath me. Big old truck coming through here. Look at this trail. Great trail. It's a trail. Look at that. Very, very cool. In the shade. In the wintertime, the whole thing has to be open to see views nonstop, but we're gonna get some outstanding views. What a great trail. Very cool. Outstanding area. Outstanding area.
The bars are closing in again. Oh well. The bars are closing in again. Oh well. I've seen some things I thought I never saw, covered in hair.
Oh, look. Here's that spot, picnic. Wow. Oh my Lord. Not a bad view. The official name of, I guess, this path is the Paradise Point View path, possibly. A lot of P's right there. It's been delivering thus far, man. It's been pretty nice. Okay, it looks like we're coming back out towards the ledges and cliffs after a brief stint in the forest. The entire hike has been canopied and supplied some great shade for me. Even though the temperature's not too hot right now, it's still a bit early. But this path is on point. Beautiful. I can't say that enough. What a great path. Trail. And it leads to the point of huckleberries. Coming out to some cliffs here. keep moving. What a trail. What a trail. It's quiet over here. I don't hear a peep. Wow. This is crazy. Look at that. It doesn't stop. The views just keep on coming. This is a tough trail not to love. You gotta like cobwebs because it shows that no one's walked through here. You gotta love these big rocks, these big boulders of the Catskills. Cool. Wow. You're kidding me. You are kidding me. This is outstanding. All right, I did stop and hang out for a bit on the way up, but it took me 27 minutes to get to Huckleberry Point. This is outstanding. Outstanding. Outstanding.
I've spent too long away from home. Did all the things I could have done.
Is that outstanding? Is
Gone
that
on
outstanding?
the days of endless bliss. I know I'm not the only one. So long, I'm going home.
Florida, Massachusetts, New York. New York. Thumbs up for that one. So good.